Hello art students, this is Mrs. Fuller and today I'm going to teach you how to do some digital artwork. We are going to do a Warhol inspired digital art, and my inspiration piece comes from this photo right here. This is Marilyn Monroe, and the famous Andy Warhol created this many years ago, and we are going to make a similar version, only ours is going to have an Aladdin theme. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to start by going to Drawcast. So you will find Drawcast. If you can't find it, you may search for it. Once it opens, you're going to Google an image in class together. We're going to Google an image about Aladdin with an Aladdin theme. And I've already done it, so I am going to turn this over. And once you've opened Drawcast, you are going to go here, press the upper left-hand corner, and you're going to press Create New Project. Once that window opens, you will press Photo from Photo Library. Then you will go into your camera roll, and you will find the image that you chose. Normally the image will be flip-flopped, so you will have to rotate it down here in order to look the way you want. Also, you may pinch it back and forth, move it around. Most of the time things will get cropped off just like this, and that's okay. Once you like how the image is, I'm going to kind of put it right here, you can press Done. Okay, now we have the image that we want to create. The first thing you want to do is press the bucket down here. These are your colors. Now, in class, I will teach you about the fill tolerance. This is telling the iPad how much of what color you want to fill. So, the fill tolerance, I would like you guys to go to about 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try to get it down to 2%. Then the opacity will need to go to about 50%. Okay? Once you have that, you want to choose the color for your background first. It's got to be a bright color, just like Andy Warhol used to use, excuse me. So I'm going to go for yellow. Once you've chosen that color, you press Done. And now you're going to touch all the places where the background is. So I touch this, touch that, and touch inside there. Next, you will open up the paint bucket again. This time you want to choose a contrasting color. I'm going to go with red. And this time you are going to press Done. And this time you're going to touch it on the object. Okay? Now, you can see here that when I touch that, it spread all over where I did not want it. So I can go right here to back and back out of that. I'm going to go back into bucket, and I am going to move the tolerance to 2 and try one more time. So I'm going to press right here. There we go. Here, and it made it red. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to add some more colors, like I might go into this orange and maybe bump it up a little bit more. I want a bright orange, there we go. And you can touch little spots here and there to make it really bright. Alright, that is my first one. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to go up to this corner, press Save. Save to Photo Library. Okay. Then I'm going to do another one. So create new project. Photo Library. Go again to my camera roll. Find the original artwork just like that from Google. Rotate it. Move it around like the other one. Press Done. Then I'm going to color it differently. This time I'm going to go for blue, press Done, do the background just like that, press the bucket again, And this time I might use, maybe green, neon green for the inside. Press done. I'm not sure if it's bright enough for my liking, so I'm going to go back in, maybe add some yellow, bright yellow here. You can always tap this on and off to darken it and lighten it. There we go. This is brightening my yellow. All right. I love it how it is. So again, I'm going to go to this corner, press it. When the window pops open, I'm going to press Save to Photo Library. Now you're going to want to do this 2 more times because you're going to want a total of 4 of those objects. After that, you're going to open up Pic Collage. Once you open Pic Collage, it's going to ask you to create. Alright, I'm going to go back to the beginning. I'm going to press Create, and it's going to give us a brand new screen. When you do this, you want to go down here to the left-hand corner, press this, and these are all the layouts you can use down here. I want you to find the layout that has 4 equal rectangles. Then I want you to move this little slider down here, kind of to the middle, so that it creates a nice border that you can see more on your own iPad. After that, you want to press the plus and photo. And then you want to just take turns choosing one of your created versions at a time. So I'm going to press this one and then press OK. It dropped in nicely. Press another box, photos. I'm going to choose this one this time. Press this one over here, photos, maybe my yellow one now. Press the check mark every time you're done. And I need one more version, photos, maybe my purple one here. Okay, now it almost looks just like Andy Warhol's except for I want to change my black background to black. So you just touch the background and then you hit the background button and you can choose black. There we go. That gives it a nice contrast. You press the check mark, and that is all. Do not forget to save it. So you want to go down to the right-hand corner, and this is saving it to our photo library, as it's telling us right here. When you get the check mark confirming that it's saved to the library, then you are done. After this, you will upload it to your Google Drive, and we can do that in class. So thanks for watching.